Y'all, I have got to tell you what. We just stopped. We're in Etheridge, Tennessee, and we stopped at what we thought was an antique store. We walked in this place, and all you can smell is the smell of a daggum homemade cheeseburger. Let me show you this place. I didn't even have a clue where it was. I had to ask somebody where it was. I don't know the name of this place. It's on the side of the road. And look, I had to stop it because I don't want to give the other people that's in here. It is a flipping restaurant, and look where we're sitting. Look at this.
What's up?
I'm telling you right now, I cannot wait to get this cheeseburger because I know it's going to be.
And the lady cooking it knew you when you come in
Yes,
the door.
and then the lady that's cooking knew exactly who I was. She come running out here. I'm going to find out the name of this place and let y'all know.